Hi guys, so today we are ready to hit the gym. So we're gonna do pull one. I mean pull A or pull one. So we're gonna hit the back for the strain today. Pull one is for strain, pull two is for hypertrophy. But I have to prepare some stuff like the cameras for camera shooting, and I'm gonna put all of it in my bag right here. And I need my headphone also is break, and I fix it. You see, this is pretty good, right? So here I train my guy named Anthony today. I'm recording for your future self, okay? Not you right now. 5, 6, 7. Come on, focus. 8. Good, yeah. One more.